the vast, arid stretches of northern Africa and southern Asia, life is often defined by the absence of one thing: water. Yet, in this unforgiving landscape, a small, masterfully camouflaged bird thrives. This is the chestnut-bellied sand grouse. At first glance, they might look like a cross between a pigeon and a partridge. Their plumage is a beautiful mosaic of sandy buffs and soft grays, designed by evolution to melt into the dust. But it's the male's namesake, that rich, chestnut-colored underbelly, often separated from the breast by a crisp black line, that gives them their identity. They are ground dwellers by nature, spending their days foraging for seeds in the scorching heat. But don't let their humble appearance fool you. These birds are some of the most specialized survivors on the planet. The most remarkable chapter of a sand grouser's day begins just after sunrise. Because they survive on a dry diet of seeds, they are tethered to the location of water. However, nearby, in the desert can mean 50 miles away. Each morning, thousands of birds may gather in a synchronized commute. They possess incredible navigational skills, flying at high speeds, sometimes reaching 60 miles per hour, to reach a communal watering hole. For the chestnut-bellied sand grouse, this isn't just a quick drink. It's a mission. While the birds drink, they remain hyper-vigilant. Predators like falcons and jackals know exactly where the sand grouse must go. They land, drink rapidly for a few seconds, and then, the males perform one of the most unique behaviors in the avian world. While the adults can fly to the water, their chicks, tucked away in a shallow scrape in the sand miles away, cannot. To solve this, the male chestnut-bellied sand grouse has evolved specialized feathers on its belly. These feathers act like a high-tech sponge. The male wades into the water and rocks his body, allowing the feathers to absorb and trap liquid within a unique protein structure. He can carry up to 20 milliliters of water, nearly 10% of his body weight, across the desert heat without it evaporating. When he returns to the nest, the chicks gather around him, using their beaks to milk the water from his sodden feathers. It is one of nature's most devoted acts of parenting, ensuring the next generation survives in a place where nothing The chestnut-bellied sand grouse is a testament to the ingenuity of life. It doesn't fight the desert. It has become a part of it. From their camouflaged feathers to their sponge-like bellies, every part of their existence is a finely tuned response to the extremes of our world. Next time you look at a dry, barren horizon, remember the sand grouse, the nomad that carries life in its wings across the burning sands.